EquityZen app pricing explained what you get for your money. EquityZen is a platform that allows investors to buy shares in pre-IPO companies. Many assume investing in startups requires millions, but EquityZen opens the door for accredited investors with smaller amounts. The app is free to download, and browsing investment opportunities costs nothing. When investing, EquityZen charges a 2% to 5% transaction fee, depending on the deal structure. Minimum investments typically start around zero, making startup investing more accessible than traditional private offerings. Most people get this wrong by thinking pre-IPO investing is too complex. The surprising truth is EquityZen provides detailed company financials, valuations, and legal documents to support informed investment decisions. For example, you can evaluate a tech startup's growth metrics before committing funds. Additional features include portfolio tracking, updates on company developments, and exit planning options, making it easier to monitor investments over time. In conclusion, EquityZen provides a transparent, accessible way to invest in pre-IPO companies. Its clear fees, comprehensive data, and platform tools help investors make informed decisions in the private market.